Do you know that alcoholism isn't a disease, but it's just a series of neurological pathways that can be rewired? Let's talk about how we can rewire those connections to overcome addiction. And to do that, we're going to talk about the damaging effects that alcohol has on the brain and body, and how conscious awareness and intent can build a healthier lifestyle regardless of what you're struggling with. I'm an ex-alcoholic and liver failure survivor, and alcohol causes severe damage to the brain and body. Too much, too fast, too soon, or steady amounts over long periods of time. If you or someone you know has a high tolerance, this definitely applies. In extreme cases, you could expect heart problems, liver damage, and it increases the risk of you developing 7 different types of cancer. There are absolutely zero health benefits to consuming a poison. Long-term use of alcohol literally shrinks your brain, the hippocampus. This directly affects learning, memory, and impairs your brain's ability to create new neural connections. What you call life is a series of neural connections that you've created throughout your life experience. And all of this is vital to learning and adapting to new experiences that move you forward. This is why simply taking a break away from the alcohol isn't helping your brain rewire itself. So if you're struggling in sobriety, then it's time to give your energy to recovery. Recovery is giving your conscious awareness and energetic intent into building a healthier lifestyle. And no, that does not mean fixing all of your trauma. The more energy, the more intent you give to building a healthier lifestyle, the stronger those neural connections become. As you strengthen those new neural connections, those old thought patterns and old neural connections begin to fade away. As you fire less and less of those toxic pathways, your brain deprioritizes anything that's not moving you forward. It starts to get easier. You start to feel better. And this makes it easier to live a life that you don't have to escape from, and dramatically aids in overcoming any type of addiction. Sobriety simply gives you the opportunity to put your energy into recovering into someone that doesn't need to take a break from a poison. That's called evolution. Now, one crucial factor in developing talent in any area, including recovery, is a compound called myelin. Myelin is a fatty substance that isolates nerve fibers. This increases the speed and efficiency of all electrical impulses in your brain. The more you practice a skill or a behavior, the more myelin is produced, and this leads to improved performance and stronger neural pathways. Are you tired? Do it again. You don't want to do it? That's when you do it. You don't have the energy? Do it again. But do it because you don't want to. Write the code, do it again. By doing that daily, you're strengthening your brain's pathway to overcome any type of toxic behavior. What are you practicing?